The SABRENT USB-C to 5G Ethernet adapter is a game-changer for anyone looking to boost their internet speeds and optimize their data-capable USB-C devices. With its 5GB optimization, this adapter ensures lightning-fast connectivity, making it perfect for gamers, content creators, and anyone working with large files. One of the standout features is its clear compatibility. The adapter is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of USB-C devices, ensuring a hassle-free setup. No more worrying about whether your device is supported. This adapter is a universal solution. The aluminum body not only gives it a premium feel, but also provides excellent heat dissipation, ensuring stable performance even during intense usage. And let's not forget about the plug-and-play functionality, which makes setting up a breeze. No complicated installations or driver downloads required. This adapter is a must-have for anyone seeking the best possible internet speeds. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or simply browsing, the SABRENT NT-C5GA delivers an exceptional online experience. With its reliable performance and easy setup, it's the perfect addition to any tech enthusiast arsenal.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.